Hello po, good day. Bali, ito na po yung inyong order for the Nintendo DS Lite, blue variant natin. So yung stylus, nandito po siya inserted sa likod. Ano natin yung unit. Now this order is going to San Juan City, Metro Manila. So pakita ko lang first yung charging ng ating unit. Bali nakakabit na rin yung charger that's also included with your package sa aming outlet. Now once you plug in your charger just beside this green light, magkakaroon po tayo ng orange light. So this indicates that our unit is charging. Then for our buttons, ito ko lang din. Na-stress test na rin namin yung inyong unit, so this is just for our video demo na rin para mapakita po namin sa inyo. So our LR button, ABXY, yung ating directional buttons, and select start. And yung ating touchscreen. Now, for your requested games, we have placed that one in a separate folder. Open nyo lang po yung ating game request folder. So, nandito lahat yung mga Pokemon games, DS games that we have. And then, of course, aside from yung mga requested games ninyo, you can also check other games we have under DS games folder naman. Because for your unit, aside from your requested games, we have installed a few others para ma-fully maximize natin yung memory capacity. Actually, this has over 300 to around 400 plus games na naka-install na. So, nandito yung mga Mario games natin, Kirby, Zelda, ayan, Dragon Quest, Dragon Ball, Naruto, and marami pa pong iba. So, again, more than 300 to around 400 plus games installed na po. Yung pwede ninyong pagpilian dito. Now, let's open one of the game that you requested, which is one of our Pokemon games. So, I'll be sending also separate photos of the other inclusions dito sa package po na in-avail ninyo. Okay na rin po yung order natin. Ipapack na lang namin ito and then wait na lang namin yung Warrior for pickup. Pa-wait na lang din po na mag-update yung tracking information sa inyong app. Thank you po and happy gaming!